How to add beneficiary to Stash account. To add a beneficiary to your UOB Stash account, follow these steps. Open the UOB mobile banking app or go to the UOB website and log in to your online banking account. Go to the Pay or Transfer menu and look for the option to add or manage beneficiaries. Select the option to add a new beneficiary or recipient. Provide the required details, such as the beneficiary's name, account number, bank code, and other relevant information. If the beneficiary has an account with UOB, you can search for their details directly. Review the beneficiary details to ensure they are correct, then confirm and save. You may need to authenticate the action via OTP or your UOB PIN. Once added, the beneficiary will be available for future transactions from your UOB Stash account. You can also add a beneficiary by visiting a UOB branch, where a bank officer can assist you. Thanks for watching.